I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joe's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Halo HLA 406FL canless adjustable gimbal downlight. Let's get started. This fixture has a maximum brightness of 650 lumens and is rated for direct contact with insulation. It is also wet rated, meaning that it can be installed in a shower enclosure or on the exterior of a property as a soffit light. When we open it up, you can see that it comes in two pieces. We've got our driver junction box here, and we've also got the wafer portion of the light here. If we take a look at our driver junction box here, you'll first notice that we have our color temperature selection switch here on the top, which goes from 2700 to 3000 to 3500 to 4000 to 5000 K. You can adjust these simply by clicking through to your desired color temperature. Once we open up our driver box, you can see that we have our black and white and bare copper wire, all of which are outfitted with quick connections, which will allow you the flexibility to be able to connect these lights together in a series. If we look in the back of the box, you can see that there are two holes which allow you to mount the box directly to framing. You also see that it comes with a mounting bracket, which can be installed here on the rear of the driver box with the screws that are included, which will give you another option for mounting here through the slots here on the bracket. These two pieces do attach together. If we look here at this piece, you can see that there is a notch or a slot right here, and there is a corresponding indentation here on this side, and so the fixture can only be put together in one way. And once you found that slot, you just go ahead and slide them in together, slide the collar up, and then tighten them down. This gives you additional flexibility during the installation phase because you can detach the driver box here and install this in the attic first. And as long as you have the clearance to be able to reach and connect these wires, you can then stand in the finished space and install your fixture here from the finished space on a ladder. And then once you've got your fixture ready to be installed in its final location, you can see that we can slide our paper out of the way here, and you can see the fins that we have here or our braces. You're going to push the braces up, and then you're going to slide the fixture up through the hole, and then the braces will come down and they will hold the light fixture in place for a snug fit. This fixture is designed to be installed in a 4-inch hole, and the fixture casts a 40-degree narrow floodlight. The gimbal can be tilted up to 30 degrees, and it can be rotated 360 degrees. This fixture has a lifespan rating of 50,000 hours, and the fixture can be dimmed down to 5% of its overall brightness. It's rated for direct contact with insulation, and is also wet rated, meaning that it can be used in a shower enclosure or on the exterior of a property as a soffit light. Hopefully you found this information helpful and informative, and I'll see you soon.